Hello Makanku lovers! How to cook Makanku fried free-range chicken dish. Open the plastic package. Take out all the things inside from the package. You will find ready to fry, free-range chicken and sambal. How to cook? It's very simple. First, heat the vegetable oil. Open the plastic package. Take out all the things inside. Put the free-range chicken into hot oil. Fry with medium heat until done. After that, take it out and let it cool in room temperature. Serve it on the plate. Open the sambal package and put it on the plate. Here you go! Makanku fried free-range chicken, ready to eat. Makanku, modern, ready to eat, healthy food.